welcome to my new video. As you have read the title, that is this NoFap video. So basically, I've practiced NoFap hard mode till day 90, and today is my 90 day, and I am making the benefits video. Basically, what is NoFap? So NoFap is a practice where you abstain from masturbation or orgasm. So it is also known by the name of brahmacharya or celibacy. There are two modes in it. One is classic and second is hard mode. In hard mode, you do not ejaculate and hold your semen for long as you can. So I'm doing hard mode and my streak is of 90 days. Make sure you watch till the end, because in the end I will share some techniques to get on higher streak, which I personally recommend and which I have used, and by that I got reached this for first 1 to 30 days. The benefits which I noticed in 1 to 30 days were high energy, high motivation, high confidence, high self-esteem, and I have more reasons to be happy and high motivation. And this was the phase where I started to procrastinate less and focus more on my work and purpose. My focus has become laser-like, sharp, and I can switch between task to task without getting distracted or caught up in thinking and overthinking. 30, you will also realize that your brain fog starts to get decreased and your motivation level gets too high, and you can speak about anything without taking a break, and your imagination starts to get increased. You can imagine anything at any time without any difficulty. Your eyes starts to get widely open. You get too much creative and creativity starts to flow through you. The benefit from day 30 to 60. In this phase you will notice a flat line. In this flat line you will see that you will get depressed and you will have no motivation and you will procrastinate, because this is the phase where our brain starts to rewire itself, because as you are overcoming that bad habit and cultivating it with good habits. So depending upon the intensity which you have consumed tapping as your hobby or activities, so it may take time, and I have noticed my flatline during third week of my NoFap journey, and it lasted up to 1 week. I was not a heavy consumer of tapping and I recovered from it only in 1 week. Don't relapse and don't try to get that dopamine from that relapse, because it may give you temporary pleasure. In the long way you will get many benefits. So day 60 to 90, I call this phase as a genius phase, because in day 68 our semen starts to get to the brain, because semen consists of water and other minerals which are the brain foods of our brain, and when we hold it and do not let it go, it gets stored and it gets up while we do meditation or asanas or yogas, and this can make you genius. All personality starts to change and you become the person which you never expected that you will be. This was the phase where I can do hard things easily. Before NoFap, I was insecure guy who was getting insecurities over little things, but as my day 90 of NoFap crossed, I have no thoughts of anxiety or insecurities. From a boy, I transformed into a man. NoFap hard mode is like a sprint for growing more in a short period of time. So when I am on NoFap hard mode, I am growing like speed of light. This may seem hypothetical to anyone, but the person doing this can relate what I'm saying. people love my company more. I radiate confidence and focusing on my self improvements, and I want to grow and grow and grow. You you when you will get on NoFap, you will have hunger of only one thing: self improvement. 90, you will realize that your sense of humor start to get better, your hair starts to grow faster, your skin starts to get smoother, and it will grow, your muscles starts to get harder, and your voice starts to get bolder. Perception towards everything will change. You will find everything pleasing and pleasuring. As I read a sentence in the book, or listen to a music, or walk in the nature, and I play with my pet, I feel extremely pleasurable. Wind to water, everything you touch will make you feel alive and will make you realize that what is life, and you will become too spiritual, and you will find everything too much pleasurable, and they will give you too much dopamine, and you will not run after that instant gratification activities, and you will do the hardest thing, and you will try to get dopamine from that work you put, and you will get too dedicated, and you will start to achieve that goal, and that the goal you achieve will motivate you to grow further and further. And NoFap is it's not just a blessing, it's a superpower which has given to us, but we tend to waste that power in temporary pleasure. So guys, hold your semen and bring out that supernatural powers and be the best version of yourself. NoFap is just a tool to get your things done. It's like a fuel to push you, but rest of the work you have to do by your own. So don't get obsessed over that number. So the tips which you have been waiting for are: first, don't take flatline as a loss, because that's a building step. When you are experiencing a flatline, try to eat and do the things which you love and you can do easily, like eating ice creams. And I recommend to eat ice cream. Wait, I love chocolate. I'll show you something. Wait. So how was that? Mention me in comments. So the second, when you will get urges, and it's common that you will get urges, and I got urges too. When I got urges, I try to do push-ups as many as I can, because when the blood pumps through your body, your urges starts to fade away. Or you can take a bath. My strategy was to take ice and put into me. Well, that is too weird and savage too. You can try it. And the last but not the least tip, focus on one day. Try to do NoFap for just a one day and give 100% every day, and then repeat. Because when you focus on one day and you will get through that day, and when you will repeat, like when you will multiply 1 from 90, the day you will get is equal to 90. So do like that, and I have done this too. Use these techniques and you will get on NoFap too, but don't get obsessed over the number. If you found my video informative and inspiring, so make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I drop new videos every single week and you don't wanna miss them. So hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And I'm growing with NoFap, and hope you will also grow together with me. So hope you guys like this video, and some of may get also inspired by this challenge. So meet you all in next video. Peace out.